We were talking about absolute value equations, and we want to solve absolute value equations. We have the steps written down there, and the first step is to get the absolute value by itself. So first we're going to use GEMDES. And in this case, we're working GEMDES backwards because now we have two operations outside of the absolute value of addition and multiplication. So first we're going to undo the addition by subtracting 9 from both sides. And then we get -5, absolute value -8x, and that is equal to -20. So we're still on GEMDES. This time we have the operation multiplication, so we're going to undo the multiplication by using division. So we're going to divide both sides by -5, and then we get the absolute value of -8x is equal to 4. So now we can move on to step number 2, where we write the positive and negative. We can move on because there's no operations outside of the absolute value. So the positive, we leave the 4 alone and leave the absolute value alone. So we have -8x is equal to +4. And then we write down the negative as well. So -8x is equal to -4. And once we have that done, we move on to step number 3, which is going to be GEMDES again. So here we have multiplication. So we're going to undo the multiplication by using the inverse operation, which is a division. So we divide by -8, divide by -8, and we can see that we do the same operation to both sets. And our 8's cancel, we're left with just x equals -1/2. And here x equals 1/2. So then our solution for this one, we get the set, x equals the set of -1/2 and 1/2.